Hi, my name is Kevork from CATA Stone Care Restoration. And today we are in the beautiful city of Hollywood at the Pantages Theatre, restoring the marble floors at the ticket booth lobby. And I can't wait till I show you the process. Grout removal is an important part of the restoration process. Old or damaged grout is removed to clean up the joints and prepare the surface for refinishing. We then scrub out the grout lines to remove dirt, stains, and residue that have built up over time. By cleaning out the old grout, the new material will bond properly and maintain a consistent finish throughout. The goal is to overfill the grout joints with epoxy to create smooth transitions from tile to tile. We use a premium 2-part epoxy designed to withstand UV exposure and moisture, delivering exceptional strength and long-term protection. We then sand down the epoxy to the stone, then refinishing to a polish. This is done with a 30 grit metal bonded diamond puck, going through a series of grinding and sanding pucks to our polishing powder to get the best results. Once the grinding is complete, we remove all weak and loose material and repatch it carefully to create a solid foundation and ensure longevity and durability. Polishing brings the floor back to life. We make the finish consistent throughout the surface. The penetrating sealer ensures a natural look and feel while protecting the surface from future stains. The finished floor is a complete transformation. New grout lines, a smooth surface, and a clean, even polish tie it all together. The stone looks fresh and consistent from edge to edge, solid, balanced, and made to last. And with the seamless grout work, future maintenance is simple and easy to manage. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the process of restoring the marble floors at the Pantages. If you happen to have any questions, please don't hesitate on asking on the comments. If not, then I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.